everybody. I hope you're having a fabulous day. As you can see, I have beautiful views of the Bandaras Bay directly behind me. You're also going to find some of the very best beach bars and beach clubs that we have here in Vallarta. We are directly across the street from Mantamar. You've got Green Chairs, which is also Ritmo's Beach Cafe. There's Blue Chairs, Sapphire. You are just across the street from some of the most fun places to go and hang out during the day. Let me tell you a little bit about this condo. Because of the location, it is a rental gold mine. I'm here at Amapas 353. This is number 403. The asking price is $799,000 US dollars. You have a little over 1,100 square feet here, 2 bedrooms with 2 full baths. If you want more information, look down below. You're going to see how you can get in contact with me, more information about this condo. Hang out. I'm going to go do a quick video tour of this, and then I'm also going to show you some of the very amazing amenities on this rooftop. Wait until you see, and don't forget to stay to the end. You'll also see some additional photos. Okay guys, let's get into this. Welcome to Amapas 353. I like to give you guys always a view of what it looks like from the outside. One of the things that I wanted to mention is this unit does not come with parking, but as you can see, you do have a few parking spaces out in front. Those are first come, first serve. This is the 200. This is the road that takes you all the way from the romantic zone down to Miss Maloya. You've got a good 360-degree view here. I'm going to show you the front, and then I'm going to show you the condo. We'll see the rooftop. We will get into the gym, and then I'll show you there's a whole other exit in the back of the building that if you wanted to go to the beach, you've got a beach access also. If you're entering from the 200, you do have a coded entry here that leads you straight into the lobby area, well, the entrance area. Then you're just up half a flight of stairs and the unit's right there. All right, guys, let's check it out. One of the things that I wanted to mention, you have 2 ways you can enter into this condo. There is parking off the 200. You can take the stairs. You're just half a floor up, walking into your unit, or you can take the elevator. The elevator comes from the parking or from the beach side. So now that you've seen the 2 ways that we can enter in, let me show you this beautiful condo number 403. As you enter in, you have a hall here. There is a keyless entry as well, the door. You'll see that you have a stackable washer and dryer here with the hot water heater and the sink for the mop for your housekeeper. Then when I open up these other doors here, you've got some more storage there. Okay. And I'll open up just this last door here so you can take a look and see you've got lots of storage in this apartment. You also have a deeded storage as well. The deeded storage is about 10 feet by 5 feet. So if you're looking to use this as a long-term resident or as a rental, you've got a lot of options for storage. Before I get into the bedrooms, I'm gonna walk you through first. I wanna show you the living room, dining room, kitchen, the views, and then we'll walk to the back of the house. So as you can see when you enter in, you have open concept living. You've got the dining room, living room, kitchen, all in one space. I do like how they have the indirect lighting here as well. Everything that you see in this video is included in the sale. This is a rental property, and I can also give you the rental numbers on that. If you need those, let me know. I'm happy to give that to you. Because this is a rental property, everything that you see is included. There are no personal items here. Even the artwork is included. So you've got your dining room here. And another thing that I wanted to mention, if you look up above here, you're not going to see any of the air conditioners. This is all ducted ACs, so you don't have those ugly mini splits like you see in most of the units here in Vallarta. You've got central heat and air here. It's zoned central heat and air as well. Okay, so now that you've had a chance to see the living room, dining room, kitchen, let's make our way outside. And I also wanted to mention you have double pane windows here. It is very quiet inside. Then when you open up the doors and step to the outside, you've got the beautiful ocean, beach waves there. I'm in a fish island, so things do appear a little bit farther away than they would if you were here. While I'm here, I just wanted to mention one thing. Because of the position of where we are, this whole section here is a federal area. That means that nobody will be able, or should not be able, to ever build on this area here. Because if you're popping out of the unit here, out of your building, there's a path here and there's stairs that are going to take you all the way down to the beach. So you're literally just a block away from some of the most fun beach bars that we have here in Vallarta. I'm just going to give you a whole degree view so you can see here everything. You've got all of Amapas there. If you want to know where you are, that's Paramount Bay, and this is the road that takes you over to Almar. You have a covered patio here. Enough space here to come and hang out at the end of the day or in the beginning of your morning. Just want to listen to the ocean rolling in. Alrighty guys, so now that we have seen all of the views from the outside, I'm going to take you inside. Now let's get to the back of the house. So this is 2 bedrooms with 2 full baths, a little over 1,100 square feet. This is the guest bath and also the bathroom for one of the bedrooms. The other bedroom has an ensuite bath. One of the things I wanted to mention in here is if you were having a party and you just wanted to set a little bit of mood lighting, I love the hanging pendants here in the bathroom. Put a nice scented candle in here if you like to entertain, and you've got just a really welcoming space for your guests. Okay, so nice glass stall shower there. I'm going to take you into the hallway now. So you've got one door here. To the right you have one bedroom, to the left you have one bedroom. We're going to go into the bedroom on the left first. This bedroom has private. You can see you've got a balcony out here. This balcony actually connects to both bedrooms, but because they have all the palms here, you've got a very private view. And this one has the ensuite bath. Nice glass stall shower here. I like how they have the window for ventilation. The toilet. We'll make our way out of this bedroom now and we'll head into the primary. Okay, you do have beautiful sliding doors here. Entering into the other bedroom here. This is a king size bed, just to give you an idea for the space here. You do have the indirect lighting in the roof as well. And like I said before, everything is included. Just pack your toothbrush, hire a property manager, and this place is good to go. All right, so now that we've had a chance to see this entire condo, I want to show you the amenities. Wait until we get up to the rooftop. This place is spectacular. You have an amazing location, great rental. I just wanted to give you, as you can see, one more look here before we head out. And let's go make our way upstairs, guys. As you enter out of the elevator, you are coming right onto this beautiful blue infinity edge pool that also has a jacuzzi. You've got some great areas here for lounging, for kicking back. There are some sky beds here. You have an outdoor kitchen, full covered area here for lounging. All of the finishes here are top quality. This is also your guest bath here outside. Another area to hang out. You've got a great outdoor kitchen. And I just wanted to come to the top to give you a view of the entire Bandaras Bay here. Like I said, you can see all the way along the South Shore, Vallarta, getting down to Punta Ramita. And you also have views of the pier. All right, now that you have seen everything from the rooftop, I'm gonna make our way down and I'm gonna show you the gym as well. When you're coming out of the elevator, you're just coming straight into the gym, and as you can see, you have everything that you need here. They have some free weights, a couple of benches, they have a cable system here, and cardio equipment. It's a simple gym, but you have everything that you need to get a good workout here before you hit the beach or get on to your day. Alrighty. I wanted to mention one thing, guys. This is what the building looks like from the outside. You do have 2 entrances to get into this building. Coming from the beach side, this is what you'll see. Give you a nice 360-degree view of what it looks like if you enter from this access. And you can see here that this is the access that you would take if you were going to the beach. So you just come out of the building, cross the street, down the stairs, and you are at the beach. Alrighty guys, now that you've seen the back entrance, let's pop into a recap.